is race number 5. And the race is on exotic flavor. Fast to begin, rushing up Queen Maker. Rushing up galing down on the inside El Bimbo. Work of Ford and Star Quality is the early trailer. Exotic Flavor by Alencana, followed by Galing in second. Alongside is Queen Maker. And 3 lengths corner back in Port El Bimbo, work of Ford, Star Quality. Passing the half-mile post, it's Exotic Flavor by about 2 lengths, followed by Galing in second. And rounding the far turn, Exotic Flavor by a length and a half. Galing is still running in second. And moving up is El Bimbo alongside Queen Maker. As they race the last 500, Exotic Flavor and Galing on the outside. It's now Galing, Exotic Flavor, and on the outside is El Bimbo. Galing by a length and a half. Exotic Flavor down on the inside, El Bimbo and Word of Ford. Galing by about 3 lengths. And finally, entry number 4, Galing. El Bimbo, Exotic Flavor, Work of Art, Star Quality, and Queen Maker.
421356.